Okay, so question 8 asks, how do you calculate the pH of HCl? Okay, so HCl is hydrochloric acid. And to help us understand how to answer this question, first I'm going to write hydrochloric acid as if its ions were dissociated in water. So breaking up HCl into its ions, you get a proton, which is H+, and also a chlorine ion. Okay, so once you know that this is what happens when HCl is dissociated into its ions, if a question gave us the concentration of HCl, we know that since this whole reaction is all 1:1:1, all of their concentrations will be equal to each other. So what's important for calculating the pH is knowing the concentration of protons that are dissociated in the solution. And this is important because in order to calculate the pH, this equation is actually negative log of the concentration of our H+. So if we know the concentration of HCl, we also know the concentration of the proton, and then we can calculate pH by taking the negative log of the concentration of the proton. Okay, so let's see what the junior tutor said. They said that the pH of HCl can be calculated by finding the value of the hydrogen ions present in the reaction. Since HCl is considered a strong acid, its dissociation can be represented as HCl makes H+ and Cl-, which shows a 1:1 molar ratio between HCl and H+. This will help you big time because most of the time the molarity of HCl is given in the problem. Because of the 1:1 molar ratio, we can say that the concentration of HCl is also equal to the concentration of protons in solution. If you determined already the concentration of hydrogen ions, you can now solve for the pH of HCl via pH is equal to negative log of the concentration of H+. Yep, so that was very well explained, and this solution is correct.